Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can disable comments for your files like images or PDFs stored on Microsoft OneDrive. So let us get started. So navigate to Microsoft OneDrive, navigate also to your library of files by clicking into files in the top left and by selecting My Files, or you do that through the home section. So I will go with My Files. Next, go through library and pick the file you would like to block comments for. So let's assume you have given a contact of yours access to the given file, and now you don't want to see any, or don't want anyone to post comments under that image or PDF file anymore, or document. So to do that, click into these three dots. Next, what you want to do, guys, is select details. That is going to open up that preview here, and here you will see the comment section under activity. So what you want to do from here, guys, is click into options and simply select one of these options: disable commenting or delete all comments if you'd like to delete them. So turn off comments, and now the comment section will disappear. That's it. Of course, you can enable that anytime by clicking into these three dots again, select enable, and after that the comment section should return. There you go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.